As telecommunication networks evolve to 5G, the infrastructure powering these networks must advance in parallel. The massive bandwidth and ultra-low latency of 5G require an exponential increase in the number of connected devices, as well as the deployment of smaller cell sites in challenging environments. Given that the band frequency of 5G NR surpasses that of 4G, the signals it emits are susceptible to interference, particularly the high-frequency millimeter wave. Consequently, the transmission range of 5G is considerably shorter compared to the low-frequency band of 4G. When expanding the coverage of 5G high-frequency signals, deploying additional base stations becomes necessary. This is precisely why AAU and small cell base stations have garnered significant attention. As small base stations are typically installed outdoors, it is advisable to opt for the Meanwell HEP series harsh environment power supply to augment the reliability of the entire base station. Meanwell HEP series is built to withstand harsh environmental conditions, providing a rugged and durable power solution for outdoor 5G deployments. With an operating temperature range of -40 to 70 degrees Celsius, the HEP series can function in extreme heat or cold. It also has high vibration and shock resistance, ensuring consistent power delivery even in unstable settings. High reliability features of the HEP series include fanless power solution, noise-free design, low maintenance cost, high efficiency up to 96%, and wide range wattage from 100 to 2300 watts. For 5G success, network resilience and 100% uptime are must-haves. The HEP series harsh environment power supplies provide the durable, intelligent, and efficient power solution needed for 5G networks to thrive. With its rugged build, remote interfaces, and energy-saving design, the HEP series is engineered to meet the demands of 5G now and into the future. Jameco offers thousands of Meanwell power products in stock and ready for same-day shipment. We also provide customized services and long-term partnerships to corporations and government agencies. We are here to assist you with your sample and quote requests. Let us know how we can help. Visit us at jameco.com or call us at 800-794-9100 and tell us your power requirements.